If you search around online, you'll find several different ways to do this project. What we are doing is putting a photo onto a block of wood. You could also try this with canvas.
To get these made for you costs at least 25 bucks. Here's what you'll need. Wood blocks.
These wood blocks at Hobby Lobby were $1.99, and then if you use their 40% off coupon, even cheaper.
Acrylic paint for the edges.
I pre-painted the edges of these.
Foam brushes, your pictures, I used my old engagement pictures, and the magic ingredient, heavy gloss gel medium. I tried 2 different ways to get this done.
One is with an overhead transparency. I had these printed off at the FedEx store for $2 a piece, really cheap. The other way, which is even cheaper, is just printing them off on your own home computer. This is just a laser printer. It does have to be laser printed.
I started with the transparency. Here's the version that did not work for me. I spread a coat of that gel medium on the wood, placed the transparency ink side down, and started pushing on the picture.
Really push that image onto the wood. Ooh.
I should have known right then it wasn't sticking and it wasn't transferring.
No, it hasn't transferred at all.
Fail. So here's what did work for me.
I had spread a thick coat of the gel medium on the wood first, then placed the printer paper face down and pressed really hard consistently.
In try number 2, I let the printer paper photo set on the wood for at least 12 hours.
Okay, so we've got a really, really wet washcloth, and we want to just start wetting it down.
With the wet rag, start rubbing the paper away.
Starting to become pulp there. I think this one worked. This is cool, guys.
I rubbed the paper off 3 separate times. Just the ink is left on the wood.
I think that's a win. I like that one.
I then attached some picture hangers on the back, and voila.